It seems like every day we look at the pie chart and it is down. Again, it's down 0.38% today. So we're going to discuss exactly what is going on. And before you guys get too stressed at this market, I must say most of the sentiment right now is pretty bad for all of cryptocurrency. So let alone a new crypto that has just been launched onto the market. This can be expected. Now, as you know, here on this channel, we discussed how I thought that it was already significantly overvalued. I actually think right now it is still significantly overvalued. And I'm sorry to say that, guys, but a $5 billion market cap and a top 24, I think it is, position for something that is brand new, that literally hasn't done anything yet, apart from give free tokens out for people that have been mining for many years. Now, I think a lot of the market, or the market of PiCoin holders, is very frustrated because most people haven't KYC'd, right? So I myself probably have access to maybe 5% of the tokens that I thought I was going to get. And not only that, the price has gone down. So now whenever people get their unlocks, all they're going to do is dump their tokens on the market right now and keep doing this, right? Until we get some good price action. Now, I don't know if good price action is going to come until the rest of the market turn. And for some reason, with coins like PiCoin, with other coins, with very strong community coins, people tend to think that the price is not correlated to the overall market. I'm afraid to tell you that it is. Okay, so PiCoin is down 17% on the week. Bitcoin is down 2%, Ethereum is down 7%, XRP is down 12%. And I think that this is a correlation that you need to understand is the same across the board, right? A lot of people in the XRP community think that XRP's price action isn't, it's got nothing to do with cryptocurrency. It does. Just like PiCoin, just like BNB, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum. All of them are interconnected in this space. When we see Bitcoin go down and the top dogs, like the top 10 going down, we normally see all cryptocurrency go down. When we see the top 10 go up, we nearly always see all cryptocurrency go up. And that is just how it works. So PiCoin being down today isn't too much to worry about. However, if you are a short-term person when it comes to PiCoin, you might be in for a little bit of trouble, because if you're planning to get out of this in the very short term, I think this downtrend will probably continue. Maybe now that we're seeing this plateau here, maybe this is the low, and maybe we do start to trend upwards from here. I think that's unlikely unless the market turns. If the market does turn and things start to look more and more bullish for example, the S&P 500, and then for Bitcoin, and then for our altcoins, yes, maybe PiCoin can start to move. But right now, we have only 6.7% of the Pi supply in circulation and over 100, or at exactly 100 billion Pi coins that could be circulating. Now, with this news, we can do two things. We can be short-term traders, or we can be long-term investors. So whether you think PiCoin is going to go up or down, you can trade it over here on Weeks. This is one of the only exchanges you can actually trade PiCoin right now. So if you want to, you can get up to $30,000 worth of deposit bonuses right now, only if you join my link down there in the description. So go grab it while it's still there. And this could be an opportunity to buy the dip if you believe it is. I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything. I have my trade still open on Bitcoin, Solana, and Sui over here, and I'm waiting to see if there is an opportunity. So if you think that's Pi is going to go even lower from here, you can actually short it here. Or if you think it's going to go up and you want to use the low leverage strategy, you can also do that here. And Weeks, again, is one of the only places you can do that without providing KYC, personal details, anything like that. So the links are down there. And if we look at the overall market, there are a lot of people that are enjoying the fact that the prices of the overall market are down. And I think that this is a moment for opportunity, right? We have things like Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Tesla. All of these are down significantly. I myself don't hold Tesla directly, but I do hold the S&P 500, and this is giving us, in my opinion, great opportunity. It could be down significantly more from here, but things like the S&P 500, Bitcoin, other investments like gold are all opportunities when there are pullbacks, in my opinion. Most of the market isn't seeing it like this, and most of the market right now is doing absolutely nothing. In fact, we're seeing stable coin trading volume among top 10 has dropped to just a quarter of December's bull cycle levels, showing that people are just not doing anything right now. Traders are exhausted, but dry powder is sitting on the sidelines, but it won't stay like that forever. We're seeing the global M2 money supply exploding, which is normally a leading indicator in comparison to the price of Bitcoin. So again, if the price of Bitcoin starts to rise, the price of altcoins will probably start to rise, and then the light of Picoin may start to see a push to the upside. However, I believe there will be a lot of sell pressure on Picoin, even if we get that, because of the way the unlocks are happening and because it is absolutely free tokens that will be given to these people. Now, I'm quite frustrated with the way things have gone with Pi, simply because I want, after 4 years of mining, I think I should get more of the tokens. But a lot of people are still very bullish. So let me know what you think down there in the comment section, guys. If you are trading, please remember that you can sign up to weeks, and these sorts of bonuses will not last forever. So if you want to go and grab them, the link is down there in the description. You don't have to trade Pi. You can trade Bitcoin and all of the other altcoins that you have access to here without providing any personal details, guys. So you can trade anonymously on this exchange, and we're using the link down there in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.